Hey you guys, welcome back to part 2, and we're going to get into some styles. I came up with, I believe, 6 styles, and what you're going to need is some rubber bands, bobby pins, and that's it. So this first style, I know I was a little out of frame, but basically what I did was put it in a ponytail, and we're going to do the style where you have it like clipped up. At first I tried to use bobby pins, but I later grabbed a clip just because I wanted it to stay. But yeah, so we're just doing a clip up style. I know you can't really see it that good, but I will get in frame after this. Style number 2 is similar to what I did in my last video with the updo bun style, except for this side. This time I'm going to do a side bang with it. So this is how I had it in my last video, and I'm going to show you how it looks with a side bang, just to give you 2 options of an updo style. And I am going to be showing you guys the back of the style. I do see my comments and I listen, and y'all said y'all wished I would have turned around. So in this video, I'm making sure that I turn around so you can see the styles from different angles. Now to my favorite. I love to do the swoop with the headband wig. This is perfect for if you feel like your forehead is big, like I feel like my forehead is humongous, or maybe your edges are just not all the way there. You can scoot the headband wig up and do the swoop with it, and I think it's just so cute. And there's multiple styles you can do with the swoop, which I'm going to show in this video. Yes, I know I'm out of frame again. I really need to get me a monitor, you guys, because it is so hard to make sure that I'm recording because I can't see, and just to make sure everything is right, it's just too much. I need to get a monitor. But I'm just doing 2 ponytails right now, and it's going to switch back into frame because I kept checking because I didn't want to record the whole video. So yeah, I'm back in frame. So we're going to do like those messy 2 buns. Too cute. This style was so cute. I think it might be my favorite one. And if I would have put out more curlier pieces, I think it would have been even cuter. But I didn't want this video to be too long. I just wanted to, do a little quick little rough draft just to give you guys an idea. Even my swoop wasn't even all the way together. But yes, this might be my favorite one. The last one I didn't get to record, but this is it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me which one was your favorite style. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.